Okay, good evening guys. Sa wakas na ayos na rin, okay? Dapat kanina pa to, umaga pa, pero something went wrong, but now, okay na siya. So, every Wednesday we talk about the winners and losers of the stock market's first three days. So, we don't discuss the stock picks, but we just discuss most of the stocks that move up and down, okay? So, let's get on to the stocks that we want to discuss. Here, okay. So, okay, first we'll just check out the PSE and what is it doing. So currently it's at 7,915. It's above the 20-day MA. This is okay, pero nakita niyo may resistance tayo sa 8,000. So currently that's the current resistance. So maybe it's gonna be trending up here. Yeah. Okay, so unahin natin today. Okay, ano ba yung ginagawa? Ano ba yung mga movers for today? But I just want to point out and I want to discuss lang most of the movers that are notable with volume. So stocks like this, like kahit na 32% siya for the day, hindi naman siya importante dahil wala namang liquidity. So we don't want to trade these stocks dahil delikado rin sila. So hindi ko na sila papansinin masyado. And meaning nun, if I don't discuss them, maybe they're not worth discussing. So I'm gonna skip all those nonsense stocks and just move on to the stocks that really matter for me. Itong OPM, ngayon, wala rin akong pakialam dyan. Okay, so you have STR, wala rin akong pakialam dyan. So, I don't really, ito okay lang naman, but I'd rather trade other stocks. Okay, so itong WPI, pwede pa. WPI PHEN. So let's talk about them one by one. Okay. PHEN is moving up, so it's a reversal from the low. MACD is below 0 and there's no momentum, so I don't expect that to. It's still in that big range, so wala na masyadong ginagawa dyan. Okay, the big ticket. Okay, PHEN. Curious mga tao dito bakit itong Monday nahulog ng 12% from the high kasi nagkaroon ng stockholders meeting nung Monday or Tuesday. Okay, after na nahulog, they said they're gonna put magkakaroon ng rights offering sa 2020. Okay, given that thing, now it's at the 50-day support. Okay, 50-day support here. It's at here at the 265 area. Okay, so 265 area meaning known is the uptrending. It's an uptrend stock, right? So if you want to catch this stock, it's gonna be okay to buy it tomorrow. Buy it at 275 and then put your stop at 267. So yan yung, this is a good buy as of the moment. Buy technicals lang, okay? Because it found the support. So in the meantime, sana hindi mag-break ng 265. Okay, if I'm gonna trade it, I'm gonna buy it tomorrow and then put my stop at 265. That is the immediate support. Okay. The counterpart niya na gusto natin is PPG. Yeah, may drawing na PPG is currently at the 20-day MA. It can go back to the 50-day. Anything is possible. So, pwedeng ganyan. Ito, so today, nagkaroon ng up move. So, uptick candle. So, I can buy it tomorrow at 9:30, 9:40 and put my cut at the low, which is at 881 or 875. Okay, so that's the first scenario. But in any case, if it doesn't hold, it can always come back down to the 50-day MA. So ito, as of now, naging support to. So this can go up tomorrow. Di ba? They said that meron silang plan mag-drill on the next 2 years. So that's a positive positive for PPG. Okay. Okay. Moving on. We have the losers naman, no? So we can see Jollibee, the loser column. Jollibee losing. Okay, so this is a downtrend stock. Okay, so nagka-consolidate dito, baliktad to. Consolidating for the breakdown. So the support will be 217. Sorry. Okay, 217. So this can easily go down, breakdown, headed to 200 pesos. So ingat-ingat lang kung meron kayong Jollibee. So this is not a good sign. So ano bang nakita na dito? Parang ito lang yan. Okay, consolidating for the breakdown. Now it's doing the same thing again, consolidating for the breakdown. So we can see a lot of weakness in this sector and on the big caps. Let's discuss the movers din naman. So we saw, kita natin yung ALCO tumaas siya kahapon. Bakit? Itong spike na to. Spike sa volume, right? Nagkaroon ng spike, 8%, right? From 89, naging 97. But today, nag-pause. So this anong pwedeng gawin niya? Pwedeng magkaroon ng pause, and then after that, move higher, and then higher. Maybe. Okay, so that's the bullish scenario. Because nagkaroon ng news na nag-subscribe yung isang company nila, a subsidiary na mag-invest sa ibang property for 1 peso per share. So that will be around at this price level. So siguro people assume that it can be the new price support. So this is worth watching also. Okay. Ano pa bang gumalaw? ABA is not yet moving, but I'm just looking at it. So currently it's above the 10 and 20-day MA, but resistance is a 50-day MA. So baka magkaroon ng range dito sa taas dito. Ito yung range. Okay? Can be around 86 to 94 na range. Expectancy natin will be like this. Meron ganyan. Then it might continue or it might go down. So it's just 50-50 upside or downside. Okay, what other stuff that we want? PXP. Umakyat to dahil sa oil. Okay, may oil na news. So now it's above the 10 and 20, 50 day. Mayroon din yung news na tuloy na yung deal nila with China. So we might want to monitor this. So if it stays above this new support line, which is currently at 12, pwede. Pero resistance is at 14. So ingat-ingat lang tayo. Okay, kasi we're near the resistance. It might consolidate here, sideways, maybe here, before moving higher. Okay. Another notable na gumalaw, yung malaking galaw, APC, out of the blue. Yan, no? So, bigla na lang gumalaw. Nagkataon, itong before, nag-consolidation dito before, yung na-break niya yun, umangat na. So, nakita nyo dito, the breakout here at 0.56, breakout here at 0.56, that's the new support here. June. Okay? So 3 times niya dinagay doon. Okay? So the previous resistance always becomes the support. As we can see here, it's now the support. 3 times the tines, and then now it's breaking out for the new high. Okay, so now we can put the here. Nakasang ulan. So can we put the 65 cents here, and then to breakout na above 65. So hopefully it stays above there, but I would want it to go down like this, like that, and then eventually move higher like this. Boom, like that. Okay, so okay, wala. So that's the ideal scenario that I want to look for. But this is definitely a stronger stock than most of the market. And mapapansin natin itong volume na to. Okay, this is very, very crucial also. We see a 2-day spike in volume. We also saw it the last week dito, maraming volume dito. So there might be something happening here and that you want to look at. Okay, next up is the another mover na nung isang araw, NIKL Asia. Pag-usapan natin NIKL Asia. Okay, NIKL Asia, umakyat na ang last week ng sobrang taas. Zoom. Okay? And then now, it's breaking down or correcting. Okay, so ako nilagay ko yung last week current support is at 420. But as you can see, now it's going down below 420. And now we can see it going to the 20-day MA, which is at 3.8. Okay, 3.8 or 3.75. Okay, that is the short-term support. And then the next case would be, wag naman sana, baka baka pumuntang 3 pesos. But if it goes back down there, baka full retracement na from the breakout price. So meaning, baka hindi na sana umabot doon. If we're monitoring NIKL Asia, might as well look at FNI. But sinabi ko nga, it's very, very, more practical to just stick with NIKL Asia since it's the leader and yun dun lahat naka-invest yung mga most of the fund flow and the volume and liquidity will be on you. But if you want to trade FNI, okay lang naman. There's no one stopping you. Trade mo to, okay lang din. Okay, you put your support line is currently at 1.6 or 1.62. This is the line or the 20-day MA. You can buy towards that line of support and then sell towards the resistance. And then it will give you around, if you buy it around 168, if ever you moves up to the upper end of the range at 1.86, that is still 11% upside, right? Okay, so this is how you trade it currently. Nasa range trade siya. So this is what I would do. Intense, ang bilis. Sorry, because I'm in Hong Kong and I have to do something after. But ito, ano pa pag-usapan natin? So recently, di ba, nagkaroon ng sumabog yung mga gas. Inattack yung Saudi Arabia ng mga drone, di ba? Sumabog yung mga oil refinery. So, umakyat yung oil, nag-spike. So, we saw Shell, Petron go up, right? Yan, boom. So, umakyat, di ba? Umakyat dito. Pero nakita natin yesterday, bumaba na. So, it's just a spike up and then quick spike up and then it died down after. So this is Shell. Nakita nyo, the resistance line here at the 50-day is still there. So this is still on a downtrend. See, the 50-day MA is above. Okay, and then the other one, PCOR also spiked, but you can see hindi naman na-sustain. Right? Or what? Pag spike niya dito, boom, 5.7. Okay, from that high, 8% down na. So pag bumili kayo on that day, on Monday, or yung day nag-gap up yan, dahil dun sa oil, ay sumasabog na yung oil, kulang na ng oil sa mundo. Sumakat yung Petron, Shell, lahat. So pag bumili ka doon, talo ka na ng 8% agad. Impulsive buy, and when you check this stock, the chart is currently on an obvious downtrend. So if you bought on impulse and emotions, I cannot blame you, but you should take responsibility for your loss. Dela ka lang. Okay. It's just natural to panic. So if you don't check the charts first before buying it, it might, baka mas maganda na naman parating chine-check before buying it. Okay. So I'm just staying away from these Shell, PH and PCOR because they're on a downtrend. Let's check X, okay? Nag-report sila ng may binenta silang company last week also, right? So umakyat dito. You saw it go up here and then you can see it go down and now it's settling down, but it's still in a reversal, but I will not trade this also, okay? So yun, okay? I think we've covered a lot of stocks. All the movers for the since last Wednesday. If you want more content, you can just comment here and below sa YouTube what you want me to add. Every Wednesday, we discuss all the movers, not the picks, because yung stock picks natin and the in-depth review will naka-reserve siya for my premium member subscriber. So if you want it for free, you'll get all of these useful information every Wednesday night. And if you like more, you can click subscribe dito sa YouTube channel natin so you can keep getting updates kung ano nangyayari sa stock market midweek, and I call it the halftime show. So yun, I guess that's it for the week, and I wish you all good luck for tomorrow and for the next 2 trading days. And for you guys na nanonood lang every week, I'll see you guys next week. For my premium subscriber, I'll see you guys on Sunday. I'll come up again with a video. I hope we all make money tomorrow. So yeah, thank you guys. That's short and sweet and very informative. Um, Good luck. Bye-bye.